In this video, we are going to fix the Microsoft Edge problem that if it is not launching or showing the text properly, or it's crashing some of the images. Here's how we can quickly fix this in Windows 11. So first of all, what we need to do is just head over to the start menu and right here, apps and features. Hit enter. And this will take you to this settings where we are in the apps section. We click on installed apps and right here, Edge. And when the Edge is shown, we have the three dots next to it. And from here, we click on it, click modify and click yes. And basically it will open it in the repair mode. It will run the repair process where it will download the fresh copy of Microsoft Edge and basically update everything. So it might take some time. So just sit back and relax while it completes that. And once it has completed the process, it will automatically launch the browser and everything should work fine. But if you're still having some issues, what you can do is just go to the start menu again and right here CMD for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, click yes. And let me just zoom it a little bit. And we will write a simple command that is sfc, give a space, / and right here scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. Hit enter. It will take some time to begin the system scan. So just sit back and relax while it completes the process. And once the process is complete, no matter whatever result does it provide, it will basically scan the system for any kind of problems. And if it found the problem, it will resolve it for you. After that, just close out of here. You might need to restart the system once in order to make that effective. And that is how it works. After that, your Edge browser should work perfectly. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.